Hi there, this video is going to cover the required post service feature. So what the required post service feature is going to do for your business is, I'll give you a great example. So let's say a client wants to book a highlight, and you can set it up where when someone books a highlight, the required post service options would be a haircut or a blow dry. So what that would do is when you go to book that, there's options to enable it in-store and or online. So if a worker tries to book that appointment, it would tell them, hey, when you book this full highlight, you also need to select a haircut or a blow dry. Or for online, it would show that option as well. When they select haircut, it's going to have them select a haircut or a blow dry. So let me show you how to set this up and let me show you how it works, and hopefully it'll benefit your business. Okay, so I go over here to my menu and I click Setup, Setup Service, Setup Services. I'm going to use an already created service, but this will also be available to you when you go to create the service. So like I used in my example, I'm going to use full highlight. I'm going to scroll down here to the options for required post service options. So this is where I'm going to tell it when somebody books a full highlight, they have to select from one of these options. So I'm going to set mine up for a haircut or a blow dry. Okay, so one of these is required when I book this appointment. And then down here, I'm going to either require it in store, which means the workers would have to do it. This only works from the browser version. It does not work from the worker app. And what it would do is it works in find appointment, express booking, or standing appointment, which I'll show you in a second. And then I can also require this online. So for when my clients book this appointment, it would enforce this as well. So I've checked my boxes, I've selected my options, and now I'm going to click Save. And then I'm going to go to my appointment book. So I'm going to show you how this works from a worker's perspective. So I'm going to select Georgia, and I'm going to type in a name. And I'm going to go ahead and select that full highlight. Okay, so when I go to click Save, it's going to warn me and say additional service required to book, a women's haircut or a blow dry. So then I can go add new service, and I can select blow dry, and then I save. That will also work. Sorry, we've got a really long blow dry here. We like to test with this account as well, so thank you for that. This will also work in your find appointment as well as your standing. So that's pretty great. Okay, next up is the online booking. So from online booking, let me go ahead and get logged in. And I'm going to go ahead and click Book Service and then select a service of a full highlight. And then it's going to automatically show me a drop down to select a haircut or a blow dry. I also need to select my worker here. So I can select Maria for both and click search, and it's going to show me available times. And then I just select my time, click book, and now my appointment is booked. And that is how required post service works. Have a great day.